Equivalent of an English degree. I guess I just like the idea of putting all my Robin Scherbatsky knowledge to good use, you know?
Well, since you know me pretty well, am I fooling myself with this whole Barney thing?
Get rid of him. I've never seen him work this hard to keep one around. I was gonna give him an A. Well, B+, Shinya Kaneshura.
There's something that I did want to say to you. Robin, I have been with a lot of women. Blondes, brunettes, redheads. Really scared that you're going to dump me. That's why I did this, but I'm sorry.
Szóljál, de nem tudom, hol rakjam. Konyhába kirakjam?
Kirakhatod.
You're an idiot. Need a work address. Whoa.
Hey guys, if you don't want the barrel, can you sit somewhere else? Because you're scaring away potential takers.
Designed by Chicago's Daniel Burnham in the...
I know it sounds crazy, but for all I know, my life would be very different if I had taken, say, that cat. Or that cat. God knows what would have happened if I had gotten into that cat.
De mi van már?
But first we need to back up a little.
Hey, got a beer in the fridge? Grab me one? So, something bad just happened. Stella, he's actually a really nice guy. I think there's a wig we could play.
Anyway, they picked a date, so you want to come with me so that we can laugh our asses off as we watch him walk barefoot down the island and have sex with us?
Yeah, sure, when is it?
This weekend in November. Is that just something bad?
Plans in a relationship. Fourth row.
Kid, no! You're violating the date-time continuum. You never make plans with a girl further in the future than the amount of time you've been going out. You've been dating this girl for what, 2 weeks? No, you're not taking her to a Springsteen concert in June.
I don't even remember this Robin. But Barney had a point. As soon as she started talking about the wedding, it freaked me out. Oh, that sounds like so much fun. I get to look forward to it for 6 months. Twice as long as we've been dating. I'm sure your daughter Lucy will come, so places.
What's going on, Ted?
We need to talk.
Oh, we need to talk? There's only 2 situations where you say that to someone, and unless you're pregnant, it sounds like you broke up with her. No, Ted, it's okay. We're good.
Ow! Look, I know it sounds rough, but Stella's a mom. I have to be responsible. If I'm having these feelings now, what if they don't go away? What if they just get worse and worse, and 6 months from now, I break up with her over toast with salmon at her sister's wedding? You can't do that to me. Okay? I definitely can't do that to your daughter. It sucks, but I'm being the good guy. It's the right decision.
Which brings me back to the cat.
Of course we should buy a bar.